How would you like to learn 12 ChatGPT hacks to earn money online as a Fiverr freelancer? AI is on the rise, but have you asked yourself the question if you are using it to the best of its capability? In this course, you will learn how to write SEO-optimized blog posts and articles using ChatGPT, as well as how to check content for plagiarism and AI content using AI content detectors to ensure that the percentage is low and that the content you generate using ChatGPT has low plagiarism and low AI content percentage. You will also learn how to set up a Fiverr gig to get the most clicks and to get the most conversion rates. And that is using ChatGPT as well. But this is not all, because in this course at the beginning, you will receive 59 free prompts in a PDF that you can download and that you can use to earn money off of as a freelancer. But this is not all still, because you will learn 11 additional ChatGPT hacks to earn money online on Fiverr, writing words. The following are the 11 additional ChatGPT hacks that you will learn in this course. You will learn how to write email sequences that I can't tell you how much they are in demand right now and how high you can get paid for writing email sequences for sales funnels, email newsletters, sales field sequences. You will learn how to write SEO product descriptions for Amazon, for example, which is a big marketplace, and Amazon sellers are constantly looking for SEO product description experts. You will learn how to write ebooks to sell as a freelancer, or if you want, you can start selling them yourself. You will learn how to write podcast scripts and interview scripts in a flash. You will learn how to write Facebook, Instagram, and Google ad copy that converts like crazy. And also, you can establish yourself as a CV and cover letter expert. Establish yourself as a CV and cover letter creator. And the good news is that you can make money from it. You will learn how to write and sell social media content calendars, which I can't begin to tell you how much they are in demand right now. Also, you will perfect copywriting and creating landing page script that will maximize the sales of your customers. You can also make good money writing and selling job descriptions, believe it or not. Transcribing large videos and taking long hours is a thing of the past, because in this course I show you that ChatGPT can transcribe a video of any size in a matter of seconds using a simple ChatGPT extension. And finally, you will learn how to create and sell infographics using Canva and ChatGPT. So what are you waiting for? You're not just getting one method, you're getting 12 methods to earn money writing words, which means you don't have to show your face, and you can do this part-time if you're working a 9-to-5 or in school, so you can do this wherever you are. The gigs explained in this course are for everyone and can be accomplished with everyone. And the good news is that you get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So take action now before you miss out on the train of AI. Other people are using artificial intelligence and ChatGPT and making a difference in their lives. Don't just sit in the back. This is your golden opportunity. Think about that extra money that you can make and easily. Take this golden opportunity right now and be among the early adopters of ChatGPT and AI in 2023. And I cannot wait to see you inside.